Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of the Unreal Engine 4 RPG tutorial series. In the last episode, we got a basic character from Mixable and we put it in the game, and we also imported in our animations. In this video, we are going to start creating the animation blueprint and getting our basic animations in game, just so we can have our character look like it's actually walking around and not just sliding all over the floor. So we're just going to start off by going up here into animations. You're going to go in an empty spot and click new animations, and we're going to do animation blueprint, and we're just going to have it under the paladin, and we're going to call this player underscore anim underscore BP. And we're just going to start the animation blueprint first, and then we're just going to get So when we get into here, just make sure you add a new state machine and put it into here. Compile and save. We're going to call this state machine locomotion. Put it right here. Inside of this entry, we're going to add a state. We're going to call this idle / walk and run. And in here, we're going to have our blend space that we're going to make right now. So compile and save, and then also go back down and do animation blend space. And let's just make sure we have all the animations before we do so. We have walk in place, and we have run in place. So we'll do a blend space 1D over to paladin character. We'll do idle / walk. We'll do idle underscore walk underscore run. Bring it in. So we're going to have the horizontal axis called speed. Make sure the maximum axis value is 600. And then in the file browser down here, just look for idle. And then we can just look at each idle. So we're going to do idle underscore 3. Because that's just one that's just standing around doing nothing. Let's do it like this. And then we'll just get walk in place, and then run in place. File and save. And we're just going to bring that in and promote to variable, and we'll just call this one speed, just like so. And now also go back into your character blueprint, RPG character, viewport, click on the paladin character, and just make sure you click that anim character blueprint, just like that. So now if you go in, you can see that it now is playing our character, but the walk or run animation is not playing. Alright, so to make it so that it doesn't, so you can actually see him walking, you need to go into the event graph and the animation blueprint and make sure you cast to RPG character and try to get pawn owner to plug that in. Well, actually, before we do that, we're going to get an is valid, and then to try to get pawn owner, just like so. And then if it is valid, we are going to set speed I am sorry about my dog barking, but next thing we have to do is get a event initialize animation and then cast it to our RPG character. And then again, try get pawn owner. And then as this, we can do our get velocity and then get our vector length, just like so, and then set our speed in here. So now this should work. There we go. You can see that our paladin works just like so. So there you have it. That is the basic animation. Next will be, actually I'm not sure exactly what we're doing next. I believe we are getting our sword in our game. So we'll be getting a basic sword and putting it in our game. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of the Unreal Engine 4 RPG tutorial series, and I'll see you in the next episode. This is Andrew from Geek Technologies, signing off.